Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PropertyRadar tools from your browser, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall PropertyRadar tools from your browser, start by opening your preferred web browser. For Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Then, click on Extensions. Once you find it, click the Remove button next to the extension. Confirm the removal by clicking Remove again in the pop-up window. For Mozilla Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Select Add-ons and Themes from the menu. In the Add-ons Manager, click on Extensions on the left side. Find the PropertyRadar tool and click the three dots next to it. Select Remove from the options presented. Confirm the action if prompted. For Microsoft Edge, click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. Select Extensions from the menu. In the Extensions page, find the PropertyRadar tool. Click Remove to uninstall it from your browser. Confirm your choice when prompted. After uninstalling, restart your browser to complete the process. To ensure the tool is fully uninstalled, check your extensions list again. If you encounter any issues, consider clearing your browser's cache. This will help refresh your browser and remove any lingering data from the extension. Now, you have successfully uninstalled PropertyRadar tools from your browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.